I'm Johanna. I just graduated this year. I'm going to be an incoming freshman at Ozark Christian College, so I'm ready for this new path. I have two younger siblings, 3 and 7. They're my world. I try and take them out. I try and do whatever I can because being a big sister is a very important thing to me. I played volleyball in 8th grade. That was my intro to sports, and then I picked up a basketball freshman year, and I was like, you know what, let's try something new. Why not? You know, going into high school, you have high hopes. You're like, we're gonna try new things. So I picked up the ball, and ever since then, I was in the gym, I was working out. I just fell so hard in love with the game of basketball. It was amazing. It was my happy place. I stepped on the court, and all my worries, all the stress just left. So going into my senior year, I had high hopes to get an athletic scholarship. All summer I did 2-a-days. I was in the gym from 5 a.m. to 12 and then another at 2 to 4. A few weeks into school, we were playing a pickup game. I went up for a layup and I came down, and when I came down, I landed on both feet, but my knee shifted outward and then it came back in, and at that moment I didn't know. I didn't have any pain. The next day I got an MRI and they were like, your ACL is completely torn and you have 2 tears in your meniscus. In that moment, it was just like confusion, scared, devastated. It was a very sad moment for me. And ultimately, I had 2 choices, was to be sad and to be in a place where I didn't want to be, or come out of it and get stronger, and that's what I did. Ultimately, we got referred to a Scottish Rite by my school trainer, and then we got crayon care, and that was a true blessing for me and my family. The care I've gotten at Scottish Rite has been like no other care I've gotten at a medical facility. I truly feel loved and cared for, and not just seen as a number or a patient with an issue to get resolved, but they truly care about who I am, what my goals are, and ultimately what I want to accomplish in life.